most interesting thing that has happened to me was actually failing the JEE entrance exam. Getting into IIT was the only way to be successful. When I got into IIM Vishakhapatnam, that changed my life and gave me so many new opportunities that I had not even imagined. Now that I was passionate about creating a YouTube channel, there were a lot of batchmates in IIM Vishakhapatnam, my old friends who mocked me for doing it. I still did it.
ये सब चीजों में कुछ नहीं रखा है।
अगर मैं उस चीज के लिए बहुत अंदर से ही पैशनेट नहीं हूँ तो मैं रात रात भर जाग के पढ़ाई करूंगी, वो चीज आप मुझ में नहीं डाल सकते हो।
So tell us one of the things that's most interesting about it.
I think the most interesting thing that has happened to me was actually failing the JEE entrance exam.
Okay.
Because at that time, I thought getting into IIT was the only way to be successful. I come from a small town. I mean, not really a town. I come from a small city. We have been hearing these things like the only way to get successful is अच्छे से पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, पैसे कमाओ, और सक्सेसफुल तुम तभी हो सकते हो. सो अनकन्वेंशनल चॉइसेस, फेलियर्स आर नॉट रियली you're not really taught to embrace it or take it as it comes or see it as a stepping stone. You think failing in one exam is actually a failure. Now that I realize not making it feel like a big failure is an interesting thing to me. I now see it as a turning point. It has really pushed me to think differently. It has really pushed me to explore new options. And later, when I got into IIM Vishakhapatnam, that changed my life and gave me so many new opportunities that I had not even imagined.
Sure.
After that failure, I actually tried to build resilience. I actually tried to adapt myself to the failure and the idea that you are not always going to win in life. It actually taught me that success can come in many forms. Sometimes not getting what you want actually can lead you to something even better. And hence, I consider that failure as the most interesting, the biggest turning point in my life.
इंडिया में जब मैं बड़ा हुआ तो there was a lot of stigma to failure. और जब मैं Silicon Valley में हूँ, so the failure is just considered, okay, you did something, you learned something. How intense was that failure? Can you talk a little bit about that?
It's not like I had a very intense preparation strategy. I studied for 12, 15 hours or like that. The problem was I was a very celebrated child. The one who almost comes in top 3 or 5 in the class, who gets Olympiads with gold medals in the schools, who is also on the anchoring stage events on the stage, who gets participation into debates. When you're a celebrated child, people around you, not just your parents, but their friends, your relatives, everybody thinks that you should do something that is society के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा. तो मैंने जैसे बोला कि या तो आईआईटी करो तो एमबीबीएस, ये दोनों अगर आप कर रहे हो तो आप इंटेलिजेंट हो अकॉर्डिंग टू देम. नाउ इफ दे परसीव मी एज एन इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट या इंटेलिजेंट किड, इट वाज बिकॉज मैं क्लास में फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आती थी. दे नेवर फिगर्ड आउट इफ आई एम वेरी गुड एट फिजिक्स और इफ आई एम वेरी गुड एट हिस्ट्री और इफ आई एम वेरी गुड एट आर्ट्स. ऑल दे न्यू इज तो क्लास में फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड आई है तो तू आईआईटी जाएगी या तो तू डॉक्टर बनेगी. सेकंड थिंग, डू यू as you asked, do you think you really intensely prepared for JEE? No, I somehow in the 11th standard, when you give all India mocks, I did see that I'm not getting ranks that I should get if I want to get in an IIT. But I was not ready to drop 11th, or I was not ready to accept that I could not clear IIT JEE or I could not get into an NIT or a government college. Because people around me said कि तू intelligent है, तू कर लेगी बेटा, कर लो. So I was like, okay, कर लेते हैं, इस मॉक में नहीं आ रहे, अगले में आएंगे. And then that continued.
Why didn't you put in the effort? Like what I'm hearing is that because I was a celebrated child, but मैंने उतने tuitions नहीं किए, उतनी पढ़ाई नहीं करी.
I think it was also because they were not subjects of my choice, or I wasn't really inclined towards it. So one thing I know about myself is if I love something, I definitely give my all. I mean, I do more than 100% for it. But if I'm not really interested from the core, या अगर मैं उस चीज के लिए बहुत अंदर से ही पैशनेट नहीं हूँ तो मैं रात रात भर जाग के पढ़ाई करूंगी, वो चीज आप मुझ में नहीं डाल सकते हो. बिकॉज आई थिंक आई वाजंट पैशनेट अबाउट डूइंग engineering or getting into an IIT from within. Now that I was passionate about creating a YouTube channel, there were a lot of batchmates in IIM Vishakhapatnam, a lot of people, my old friends who mocked me for doing it. I still did it.